Creating effective, impactful learning experiences is no longer a luxury for organizations. When you create instruction, it needs to be effective, focused, and on target. Organizations are looking for people who can help others learn and apply knowledge, skills, and behaviors in the right way. But there are so many learning issues to deal with, like online facilitation, there are trends like micro learning, there's the need to engage learners with techniques like game based learning. The question remains, who helps learning professionals, part time online facilitators, and accidental instructional designers hone their craft? In short, who trains those who teach and train others? Wouldn't it be great to have an on demand mentor, guide, and coach? I know it would have been great for me at almost every step in my professional career to have someone to point out potential pitfalls, possible mistakes, new and trending technology, and even tips for success. It's in this spirit that I've created these online workshops. They're not so much courses as they are online mentoring experiences. I've taken my 20 plus years of teaching, coaching, and guiding others and created targeted, focused online instruction. And in the spirit of fun and engagement, I've infused the courses with characters, animated diagrams, and just a little bit of humor. And some would say a real little bit of humor. But I say, let's put the humanity back into online learning. Let's learn and have fun. Let's teach and make someone's day a little bit better. But let's do it from an evidence-based perspective. I've taken the time to ensure that concepts, ideas, and information presented in these online workshops are based on sound academic sources and references. In fact, my academic background compels me to provide research-based solutions, tips, and techniques. These courses are all grounded in research. When you sign up for this digital experience, I'll mentor you through the learning process with a series of short, targeted lessons, providing you with a personal learning journey. This approach allows you to travel at your own pace, go back and pick up issues you didn't understand, and take notes in a workbook journal that helps make the course concepts real and actionable. So, what are you still doing watching this intro video? Stop! Sign up for an online workshop. Hire me as your online mentor, and we'll explore the world of learning and discover its multifaceted, multi-layered nuances, which will make you a better, more valuable learning and development professional. Let's get started. Seriously, let's do this. Invest in yourself and in your career. You'll become better and more effective at what you do and more valuable to your organization. So join me as we play, learn, and have fun.